Hi guys, in today's video we're again covering the new bank bonuses. In this example we're looking into Chase Bank offering $300 if you open a new checking account. My link from this offer will be down pinned in the comment section of this video. Let's see how this is gonna work and what you should do to get the bonus. So first of all, new Chase checking customers, if they open a new Chase Total checking account and set up direct deposit within 90 days after they open and sign up through the app, right, they're going to get the bonus and they will get essentially this $300. If we go over the details, like every single bank, you should keep certain amount inside the account so you can waive the monthly fees. Chase usually has $12 monthly fee, but you can waive it if you simply keep $1,500 in the account. This is the balance at the beginning of every single day. You should keep this 1,500. The best of all is that you will get your money if you follow all the instructions in only 15 days, like a little over 2 weeks. Here are the 3 steps over here, guys. First thing, you want to open an account online with the coupon code. So the coupon code will be attached to the link down in the comments, guys, okay? The first comment, the pinned comment, is the link from this offer. The offer will expire in April 17th, okay? You want to make sure that if you're eligible, if you're interested, you use the offer before expiration date. The second thing is that when you actually create your account, when you set up your app on Chase, you want to make sure that you set up direct deposit within 90 days after you do so, okay? And the third option is the sweetest. You are going to receive your money within 15 business days or 15 days over here. So it's not business, so any days obviously work. I personally use Chase. I utilized this offer when the offer was just $200. Of course, you guys obviously have a better chance to get 300 if you qualify for. Again, guys, if you're interested, the link will be down pinned under the video. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.